My name is Liz, and I am an analytics consultant with Collectiv. In my mug, I just have black coffee. I like my coffee just straight up.
Straight up, man.
My mug is from Luxembourg. I like to get a Starbucks mug in every country that I go to, and I figured this is probably the most unique one I have, so I brought it out for today. Outside of work, I like to do all kinds of various workouts. I definitely like to stay active. I say my favorites right now are probably walking our golden retriever named Lexi.
How are you gonna get the stick inside, Lexi?
And weightlifting and going to bar class.
That's absolutely brilliant.
Prior to working for Collectiv, I worked for University of Pittsburgh Medical Center. And I actually worked there since I was 19.
That's young.
I started working at the front desk in the emergency room, and from there I became a data analyst, and then finally I was a power platform expert with the emergency department. So everything came full circle. One awe-inspiring thing that I experienced was the healthcare response to COVID-19. Working for an emergency department during the height of the pandemic, I saw all my clinical co-workers really come together to support the community and to help out with their expertise. And I'm glad I was able to help them in whatever way that I could through Power Platform. Although I've lived in Pittsburgh for the last 10 years, I was actually born in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I recently went back to Minneapolis for the state fair. And I love going to the state fair. I try to go back every year. It's a great way to see what my home state has to offer, and it's a lot of great vendors. You can see all the farm animals and a lot of great food. So I'm glad I got my annual cheese curds. My favorite group of explorers are astronauts, because I just think it's so cool that humanity has found a way to explore beyond our planet.
To infinity and beyond.
I loved learning about the different planets when I was in school. That was probably one of my favorite units in science class every year. I'm looking forward to working with clients from many different industries. I've been in healthcare for many years, and I'd like to explore other industries and how they use data, and I'd like to bring all that knowledge together to help every one of our clients.